Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to find a highest common factor. So the short form HCF is a full form of HCF, highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor? Highest common factor of two or more numbers is the greatest common factor. Means the greatest common factor, we know how to find the common factor. So if you want to find out the highest common factor, we have to follow three steps. Step 1, we have to find the factors of given numbers. Second step, we have to find the common factor. We have to pull out the common factor. Then third step, we have to identify the highest common factor, highest number. Okay. So step 1, we have to find all the factors of given numbers. Second step, we have to pull out the common factors from given factors of two number factors. Then third step, we have to identify which is the highest factor, means big number, which is the big number of the common factor. So this is the way you can find the highest common factor. So let me take some example number to how to find the highest common factor. So example, so to find a HCF of 18 and 27. So I told you we have to find out the HCF, highest common factor of this given two numbers. Here I am taking two numbers example of two numbers. Sometimes they will ask three numbers, 18, 27, 36 like this, then 16, 18, 42 like this. They will give three numbers also. Okay. So two or three they may be asked, but now I am going to explain you two numbers. So how to find out the highest common factor? So I told you first step we have to find out the factors of given numbers. What are the numbers? 18, 27. These two numbers we need to find out first factors of given number. So first I am going to find out the factors of 18. 118 is equal to, so 1 and 18. 1 is a factor of all numbers. The number itself also factor, one of the factor. So 118 is equal to 18. So try to find the more factors of 18. So let me tell you, 9 2s are 18. Okay. Then you want to find out more factors of 18. Huh? 6 3s are 18. Then 3 9 2 6 7, then 8 9 10 11. No, I think this is the factors of 18. Okay, so let me collect and write the factors of 18. So we have to collect the factors of given all the factors as per the ascending order. So 1, another big number 2, another big number 3, another big number 6, another big number 9, another number 18. So these all are the factors of 18. Now let me find out the factors of 27. So 127 is equal to 27. Then 9 2s are, so 9 3s are, 9 3s are 27. Then 9 So I think only this much factors. So let me collect and write the factors of all the factors ascending order. So 1, 3, 9, 27. Okay. So I told you, as I told you, we have to follow 3 steps. First step, we have to find out the all the factors of given number. So first step I done. Second step, we have to take out from the factors of common factor. We have to pull out the common factor from these 2 factors. So how to take a common factor? Which factor is placed in both places? Means here 1 is available, here also 1 is available. So 1 is a common factor. Okay. Then 2 is also available. Here there is no 2, so it's not a common factor. 3 here is there is also there, so 3 is a common factor. 6 there is no 6. 9 here 9 is available, here also 9 is available, so it's a common factor. Then 18 there is no 18. 27 is there, here there is no 27. So this much only factors. These all are common factors. So 1, 3, 9, these all are common factor. Okay. First we find out all the factors of the given number. What is the given number? 18, 27. I find all the factors. Then second step, we have to pull out the common factors. Common factor, how to pull out which factor present in both places. That is a common factor. So I pull out 1, 3, 9. Now second step over. Now third step, which is the highest number of the common factor? 1, 3, 9. If you compare these 3, compare them 1, 3, 9 is the biggest number. So this is the highest common factor. So HCF is 9 is the highest common factor of 18 and 27. This is the answer. Let me discuss for your understanding purpose how to find out a highest common factor of given number. So let I am taking another example to find a highest common factor of 20 and 45. So here I am taking two numbers 20 and 45. Now I am going to find out the highest common factor. So as I told you, we have to follow 3 steps. Step 1, we have to find the factors of all the given numbers. Second step, you have to pull out the common factor. Then third step, you have to identify the highest common number, highest common factor or number. So as per that, now I am going to find out the factors of 20. So you know very well how to find the factors of a given number. So 120 is equal to 20. Then 4 5s are 20. Then 2 10s are 20. So I think this much only factors. Okay, so now these all are factors. This is a multiple. So we have to write all the factors as per the ascending order. So ascending order is small to big. So 1 is the smallest factor, another big factor 2, another big factor 4, then 5, then 10, the last one 20. So this is the factors of 20. Let me find out the factors of 45. 145 is equal to 45. 9 5s are 45. Then 5 7s are 5 7s are 9 5s are 45. 145 is 45, 9 5s are 45. I think only this much factor only. So let me collect and write the factors. as per the ascending order. So 1, comparison 1, another big number 5, then another 9, then 45. Okay, first step over, because I collect and write all the factors of the given number 20 and 45. The 20 factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. The 45 factors 1, 5, 9, 45. First step over. Second step, we have to pull out take out from the factors common factors. You have to pull out common factors. So how to pull out common factors? Which factor which should be present in both places, that factor is a common factor. Example, here 1 is available, here also 1 is available, so it's a common factor. So pull out 1 outside. Here 2 is available, but here there is no 2. Here 4 is available, here there is no 4. Here 5 is available, here 5 available, so it's a common factor. Then here 10 is available, here there is no 10. Then 20, there is no 20. Here 9 is there, but here there is no 9. Here 45 is there, here there is no 45. So only 2 is a common factor. So this is the common factor. This is the common factor of 20 and 45. Okay, now second step done. Now third step, we have to identify which is the highest number in this common factor. Well, comparison 1, 5 is the highest number. So it's a highest common factor. So 5 is the HF is 5. 5 is the highest common factor. Okay, we taught how to find out the highest common factor. I told you 3 steps. Okay, so now we will discuss the highest common factor. If we are using more than 2 number, okay, more than 2 number, we have some other methods like HCF by prime factorization method, HCF by long division method. So when we are finding highest common factor by more than 2 number, we have used 2 methods. One is highest common factor by prime factorization method. The second method, highest common factor by long division method. So let me explain by how to find a highest common factor by using prime factorization. So prime factorization means we already discussed the factor should be as a prime number. So the factor should be as a prime number. So we have to find out these all the numbers. The factor should be as a prime number. So let me tell you how to find out the prime factors. So first we have to find out 36, then 48, then 90. So 36 I am going to find out. First we have to divide by 2. So 2 18s are 36. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1 is 3. Okay. Now let me find out the factors of prime factors of 48. Prime factors. First I am going to divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Means 2 24, 48. 2 12s are 24. 6 2s are 12. Then 3 2s are 6. Then 3 1 is 3. Okay. Now let me find out the factors of 90. The factor should be prime numbers. So let me start with 3. 3 3s are 9. So 30. 3 30s are 90. Again we divide by 3. 10 3s are 30. Now let me divide by 2. 5 2s are 10. Now 5 divided by 5. So we have to collect and write all the factors only this side. Okay. So don't take this. You have to collect and write all the factors only this side. So first I will take 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So first 36 factors. 36 factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now what is the factors of 48? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 4 2s are 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now what are the factors of 90? 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. So first I will take a small number first. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So I collect all the prime factors. If you see, all the numbers are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5. These all are prime numbers. Okay. So if you multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36. Okay. So if you multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Okay. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 19. See, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 5s are 19. So the factors are all are prime numbers. Now we are okay. We collect and write all the factors in one place. So now we want to find out the highest common factor. No. So if you see here the factor 2 times here 4 times here, but here only 1 times here. 2 here only 1 times, here 4 times, here 2 times. So means that we have to take common all the common factors. Here 1 time, here 1 time, here 1 time. So first we take common factors. So 2 is common. So here 2 is, one more 2 is there. Here also one more is there, but here there is no 2. So we can't take 2 next time. Okay. Okay. Then if you see 3, here 2 times, here 1 times, here 2 times. But if you see 3 common factors, here 1, 1, 1. So 1 3 only 1 common. Means here 1, here 1, here 1. So means 1 3 it plays in all the factors 1 time. So we have to take 3 1 time. Here 5, here there is no 5, here there is no 5. So no need to take. See, after collect all the factors, you have to find the common factors. Which factor placed in all the factor list. This is the list of 36, 48, 90. Only 1 2 placed in all the places. But here only 3 2s are there. Here only 1 2s are there. Here there is no another 2. So only 1 time you can take. Then 3 here 2 times. Here 1 times. Here 3 2 times. So you can take only one time in all the places. So 3 I take 1 time. Then 5 here only 1 time, but here there is no 5. So we can't take. This is not a common factor. So before we talk no common factor. So common means all the placed the factor should be present, available. Here suppose here 5 is available. Here there is no 5. Here there is no 5. So 5 is not a common factor. 3 is a common factor because here also 1 time, here also 1 time, here also 1 time. So that's why 3 is a common factor. 2 also common factor because 1 time, 1 time, 1 time, both places present. So that's why 2 1 time, then 3 1 time. So if you multiply this both, 2 3s are 6. So the HCF of highest common factor is 6. So we have to multiply these two factors. 2 3s are 6. So this is the highest common factor by using prime factorization method.